cool, and this is my greatest LEGO Star Wars battle story. What would have happened if the fight between Obi-Wan and Anakin had gone differently? When Obi-Wan said, "I have failed you, Anakin! I have failed you," Anakin got mad. "No! I was a great student!" Then Anakin shouted, "Fireball fight!" and started to throw fireballs at Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan quickly ran back to his ship and flew to Hoth, leaving Anakin feeling victorious. Anakin decided to build himself a home, feeling victorious that he scared away Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan came back from Hoth, and this time he was ready. He and Anakin had an epic battle of fire and ice. Anakin was hit with a snowball and fell off his castle. Obi-Wan defeated Anakin with a snowball. His old student was no more. But Anakin actually survived. And the next thing Anakin knew, he was called Darth Vader and had a whole new look. Maybe next time, he will listen to his Jedi Master and not play with fire. The end.